Hey Brucey. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take these three clips, one on the medium wide angle Fuji, one on the ultra wide angled Fuji, and one on the iPhone, but obviously shot at a funny angle. And I'm going to synchronize them together. I'll show you how quick it is. So you can set your stopwatch now. Gentlemen, start your engines. So inside this event viewer, if I push Command and plus or Command and minus, I can actually zoom in and skim for the parts that I want. But because we're creating a multiple angle clip, a multicam clip, I'm actually going to keep everything for now, and then I'll trim it later in the timeline. So I'm going to take these three, you can just select them all, and I'm going to go File, New, Multicam Clip, not Compound, Multicam. Okay, I'm going to call it, yay, Multicam is nice. Okay, cool. I'm going to use audio for synchronization. You always want to use audio. You can set it to use time code and things, but we're not doing that. Maybe one day if you need that, you can ask me. So it's going to listen to each audio file and it's going to synchronize it automatically. Then it's going to give you one new file. See this with the 4 little chocolate blocks in it? That means it's a synchronized file, okay? I'm going to take this whole thing and drag it into my timeline. All right, so there's my multicam clip. You'll see here in my multicam viewer, watch, as I scroll, look how each new camera angle is being introduced and it's automatically synchronized. So if I play back, I'm just going to synchronize these 3 angles. You can hear that playing back through the system. All right, so you can see this angle is still skew. It needs to be corrected. Now here's where Final Cut is a pain in the ass. If I double click on this file, it will let me drill into the files, okay? I go to the file that is the wrong orientation. And then I need to change. Okay, so this little TV screen here means what I want to preview. So I click on the TV screen. I want to preview this file. See the orientation is wrong, so I'm going to change it to 90 degrees. There's not something you should have to do because your orientation would be correct anyway. The scale, I'm going to bring it up to scale. So let's bring it up so it's the same size as all the other clips. And then to get out of this view, it's really annoying. Final Cut makes you use this tiny little back angled arrow here. Stupid. Anyway, click that. Now I'm back to multicam view. All right, so now I'm going to play through from the beginning. I'm going to start with this angle because if you see, if I click here, the only angle working at the beginning is this angle. So I'm going to click on that. That's where I'm going to start, and the viewer is showing me which angle I've got. These angles are numbered 1, 2, and 3. So all I'm going to do is on my keyboard, I'm going to cut whenever I see the information I want come up. Okay, so watch this. All right, it's cut to angle 1, angle 3, angle 1, angle 3. I'm sure it's going to start talking or doing something. There you go. Angle 2's just come online.
So Bruce, and I've got the Fuji camera.
Angle
and
2, 1. So I'm just pushing keyboard shortcuts, okay?
Okay, so
and that's
I'm just going to synchronize these 3 angles. So I'm just going to put the iPhone over here.
Okay, so that's the iPhone moving around. Put it upside down.
Cool.
Anyway, back to angle 1.
And now we can see everything that's happening. We've got the iPhone over there. We've got
angle 3.
Fuji 1 over there.
Angle 1.
And we've got this Fuji over here.
Angle 1.
And we're going to synchronize all of these angles together just using the sound of my voice.
And that's it, dude. So I know that was really noisy and crazy, but all I was doing is the whole time I was just pushing numbers, and look how it's cut it up into multicam clips now. So when I play back, watch what happens. Now I'm not touching the keyboard at all. And I'll play it back at double speed, and it starts cutting all by itself. Okay. All right, Brucey, so that's it. You just, look, I know I rushed like a beast. Let's just go back into my selector. In my file selector, you select all your files, not the multicam. You select them all. You go File, New, Multicam. It's all automatic. It will give you this chocolate block one. And then all you have to do, the one thing I didn't show you, is you've got to show the angle viewer. So you go Show in Workspace. No. Yes. Is it? View. Show in Viewer. Angles. and then it'll show you this angle viewer. You can use the blade and you can cut with the mouse, or you can push keyboard shortcuts. Okay, brew. Let me know how it goes. It's easy peasy.